Rocks are natural solid substances that are composed of one or more minerals. Minerals are solid substances with a definite chemical composition. Here is pyrite, commonly known as fool's gold. It's called fool's gold because it resembles gold and it can trick miners into thinking that they've struck real gold. But pyrite is brittle and will break rather than bend as gold does. Both rocks and minerals have different features that are used to describe them, including their color, texture, luster, and hardness. Rocks that are attractive and valuable are often called gems. Diamonds, rubies, and amethysts are all examples of valuable and beautiful gems. Chocolate diamonds, also known as brown diamonds, have recently become very popular gemstones. When valuable rocks or minerals are discovered, a mine is often dug into the earth to remove these important materials. Mines can be constructed as a series of deep holes or tunnels that are dug underground, or they can be one giant hole that has lots and lots of layers. The building and operation of a mine often results in some negative impacts on the environment. This includes loss of habitat for plants and animals, erosion, and contamination of nearby soil, streams, and wetlands. As a result, mining should be done as carefully and protectively as possible. After mining is complete, the land should be returned as close as possible to its natural state. This process is known as reclamation, and it can greatly reduce the adverse environmental effects of mining. Is it possible to model the mining and reclamation process using just simple materials? Materials needed: chocolate chip cookie, knife, toothpick, peanut butter, and a plate.